everyone, it's Andy from Hobby Headquarters, and today's video is a big video of updates. I have a whole bunch of really exciting updates to talk to you about, and people have been asking me questions about all these things, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to put a video together this morning. It's Friday morning, and I'll let you guys know as much as I can release right now on all this information. So, first of all, we have this kit right here. This is the Das Werk 16 scale SDKFC 250/1. This is the small early war German half track. And as you see right here, I'm in the process of doing the build video on it. In fact, I'm about 95% done with the build and expect a build video probably not today, but probably tomorrow. Tomorrow or Sunday at the latest right there, Sunday morning. But we'll have a complete build video on that. But the other good news about this kit is it showed up early here in the United States. In fact, we didn't expect it until sometime in February, but our container showed up yesterday and they were on board and we have them. So the pre-orders are all going out right now. And if you're interested in one, we have quite a few in stock still right now that you can take advantage of that. Now with that container came this. Now this is the Andy's Hobby Headquarters Tiger, 16 scale Tiger. And this kit completely sold out worldwide last year. And we were able to get some scheduling that we could have a limited reproduction of this made, and they showed up as well. Now this is limited reproduction, so we have some in stock, and we should for a little while right now. But those are all in right now. They came in with the 250, so we're excited about that. This too came in a little bit early. Once again, this whole container wasn't really expected because the shipping was all messed up and stuff, that it would come late January, early February. But somehow miraculously it showed up early and we have it now. So very excited about that. Now the other big thing, and this is a couple big things of new kits. So I was just notified by the factory that my first test shot of my brand new kit, it's still a secret, I can't tell you yet, but has shipped out. And with that, I should have it hopefully within about 3 or 4 or 5 days, somewhere around there, depending on shipping. And once I have that, next week, look forward to it. If you don't already done it, subscribe so you'll be notified when it comes out. We'll be announcing our super exciting new Andy's Hobby Headquarters kit. The only thing I can tell you right now is it's US. So it's a US World War II item, but very, very excited about that one. So keep tuned to the channel here and you'll hear more about that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this off to the side because in this box right here, I got a whole bunch of samples of 3 brand new kits coming out from Das Werk that they're going to announce at the Nuremberg Toy Show in just a couple of weeks. And with that, I have samples of all these, so I'm going to do videos showing you all the breakdown of all the parts. But I'm also going to try to build all of these kits too and get them ready for you so I can show you, one-to-one scale model kits of what's actually coming out, and you guys are going to have your mind blown when you see the brand new kits coming out from Das Werk. So those videos will all be out at the end of the month, the end of January, because that's just about when Nuremberg starts. And man, wait, I can't tell you enough about it. One of the kits too I've known about for about 9 months now, and so excited to see this thing, and you guys are going to be as well too. So those samples are all inside here, and unfortunately I can't tell you any more than I was going to try to give you a little hint, but nope, can't do anything like that until the end of the month. But rest assured, I will have all kinds of video footage on that stuff as well. Now the other thing I keep getting asked about a lot is my new Superstore warehouse combo that's happening right there. There's been lots of delays, as you would imagine, with working with cities and contractors and all that kind of stuff. But what I have right now is you're going to take a look at is some drone footage inside the store. So some of the racks have gone up inside, and a lot of product has been moved over there. Not all of it. We're still actually operating out of our Avondale warehouse for mail order stuff. But that stuff should all move over, hopefully within the next couple of weeks. And then we'll have all of our new racks put inside there in this warehouse. And the reason all the tall rackage that you're about to look at too doesn't have anything on it yet is because it's been installed, but it hasn't been inspected by the city yet. So we're waiting for that to happen. And once that happens, our forklift can put all that stuff up and get it all off the floor of what you're going to look at in just 1 minute. So let's look at that video right now. Okay, we're starting off in the back of the warehouse and starting the drone flying forward. If you'll notice over on the right-hand side, we've got a couple of rows of our new pallet racks. And those are the ones we can't use yet. We can use the bottom one, but we can't actually store anything on it yet. And as you see all of that other product in there, most of that is going to go up on that rack. Now, up front here, this is all the area that is going to be the new retail store area. In fact, those two windows up front are going to be where the build slash meeting area is all going to be. That front door, which is now an exit door, will be our, as soon as we get the new glass door put in, that will be turned into our retail front door. And you can see in the video too that we've started to assemble more or less as a test of our new retail racks for the front there. They're all going to be black. We also have our shopping carts, all of that kind of stuff up front there. So very excited about that. And then of course they're going to be putting more lighting inside there. And with that, that's why we have some areas cleared out, but we don't want to start building our racks yet until all the lighting has been put up above. And then as we come around here with the drone, you see a little bit more of all of our racks set up. And this is the area that will basically be, all of our other stuff will get added in there. There's a view all the way around. And so we've got lots and lots of storage space to take advantage of as soon as all of that stuff gets approved by the city. Well, what do you think, guys? As I was talking through the video right there, you'll notice that the front of the building, like I said, has no regular front retail door yet. That's coming. It's on its way to us right there. I'll start working on my YouTube studio pretty soon. We had to get through the holiday season with Black Friday and then into the Christmas season. It was better just to let it kind of work slowly on that. But sometime in February to early March, we should hopefully have our retail store open as well. And one other thing I should point out to you too, a lot of people have asked about this. We are actually keeping this store, the store that I'm filming this in, the Glendale store is going to remain open. So we're gonna have two stores in Phoenix, the one down in Tolleson, which many people have asked about where it's going to be as well. It's gonna be on 91st Avenue south of the 10. About 2 miles south of the 10. But I'll give you the exact address and all that as we get closer to the big opening when we do that in there. But very excited about that. It's been a lot of things happening with that have slowed us down, but they're coming to an end right now. I think we should be in there probably within a month and a half, somewhere around there. So there you go. There's a quick update of all the stuff. So remember, the 250s are in stock here in the United States. Very excited about the Tigers from Andy's Hobby Headquarters are in stock here in the United States. The build video on this is coming within the next couple of days. I should also have the Tacom Horton model that I will do a complete preview for you, and then I will start building that right away as well. And then of course I've got the big box of all of the Nuremberg Toy Show samples from Das Work, and of course I have a few other kits from some other manufacturers too. So I got a lot of work to do right now, but I really want to get all those Das Work samples because I think they're going to blow you away. And then hopefully next week I should be able to make the big announcement of the new Andy's Hobby Headquarters kit. So very excited about that. This is something that's taken actually, they've been working on the CAD work for about 14 months now, and it's incredible. The detail that is going to be in this kit is just going to blow you away. So very excited about it. Don't want to talk too much more about it because I'd rather just go bam, here's the kit. Let me show you what it looks like in there, and I think you guys are going to love it. And with that, we are hoping that if everything checks out the way it's supposed to, that the kit will probably be out sometime maybe April or May too, if you're wondering about that as well. So, but I will have much more clear clear information once I actually get the prototypes in, all the sample test shots. I can go over them, check them all over, and actually going to build one of them too, because I always do that just to, you know, double check that everything fits the way it's supposed to. But the detail looks incredible on it. Very excited about it. So there you go, guys. Thank you for tuning in for this update video. I hope this answers most of the questions. I know we get tons of emails about all of these subjects right now, and I'm sorry that my kit has been a little bit delayed, but we wanted it to be as accurate as possible, and rather postpone it a little bit longer than have a kit that's not ready to be released to the public. So very happy about that. So there you go, guys. I want to take this opportunity to thank you as always for watching, and please stay tuned because I have many more videos coming.